Hey, this is Shawn of the Criminal Defense Law Center of West Michigan. The name Kenneth Post strikes fears into those accused of crimes in Hudsonville, Michigan. Judge Post is a district court judge in Hudsonville. He's been there for decades, and he'll be there for several more before he retires. Judge Post runs an extremely strict courtroom and constantly hammers those convicted of crimes before him with tough jail sentences. Judge Post consistently also sides with the prosecution when it comes to motions argued before him. Even attorneys have been taken to jail from Judge Post's courtroom. The probation department in Hudsonville is draconian. They make people jump through loops to complete probation and constantly fail people out there for minor violations of their probation. The time for a complete cleaning of the Hudsonville courthouse has been long overdue. Because of the strict rules Judge Post has in Hudsonville, the Ottawa County Prosecutor's Office is constantly crying about how their hands are tied when it comes to plea offers. Defense attorneys are habitually told that Judge Post won't allow us to do that. Of course, this is just an excuse by the prosecutor's office to prevent them from having to do more work. The criminal process in Hudsonville is similar to other counties and cities in West Michigan. The first stage is the arraignment process. This is the process where the defendant will be told what charges they are facing, what the maximum incarceration time is, and what the maximum fine is. Next, there's the advice of rights form that the judge goes over. They will be informed they have a right to a jury trial, they have a right to call witnesses, and then after that they will enter a guilty or not guilty plea. There's typically 2 pre-trial conferences. This is a chance where you and your attorney will try to settle the charges before trial, and then if not, then you have a jury trial. I can't think of one reason why you'd want to have a bench trial with Judge Post, as tough as Judge Post is. And then there's sentencing. And you definitely want an attorney if you're going to be dealing with Judge Post in Hudsonville. The most distressing thing about Judge Post is that he sits in the courtroom that has jurisdiction over Grand Valley State University in Allendale, Michigan. It should surprise no one that because of this there are a lot of marijuana charges in the district court in Hudsonville. The poor university students at Grand Valley feel the sting of Judge Post when they are sentenced. Judge Post used to be very strict when it came to allowing diversion programs even in his courtroom, but thankfully he has loosened up a bit over the last few years. If you are facing a criminal charge in Hudsonville, Michigan, you need an experienced criminal defense attorney by your side. I know Hudsonville. I grew up in Hudsonville. I know Judge Post and how he works. Call me at 616-438-6719. That's 438-6719. The first consultation is completely free. I won't charge you a penny.